Um, I don't because I'm using the online here, and I just want to give you a very simple examples about the characters here. Maybe I can change the yeah. So let's just say I want to print my the T, my initial here, um, in the pixel here. Let me show you the result first. If I run here, and you can see it looks like it's a big T here, right? And shows up in the screen. So the pixel, it means that for a whole screen here, and they actually have a two-dimensional pixels, the rows and the columns in each tiny one here, and they can use the color one, and then they can have a character in it, and they can have a different paint on it, either the size or the color, and therefore you can see that there are all different graphics show up in the screen. Okay. So this give you kind of the example here. So we have a screen, and it's like 11 by 9. It could be an integer here. It could be any object here, and that we can give them the color, and or for this case, and I just print a character in it. Okay, I just showed up the character in them. So for example, and again, you can see I use the integer and I say rectangle. You don't have to call this rectangle, right? We can call this pixel. Let's just say we'll call this screen. Okay, so anything you want to call them. And so in here, then I just have to change this to a screen. This is the size of the screen, right? And then this is start from the row, from the first row all the way to the end. And I can call this screen. And then I'm going through the pixels of the screen. And so from the J, if it is the first row there, and I will print out the T on that. And otherwise, if they are if they are the middle of the column, and I will print the T there too. Otherwise, and I will just print nothing. Okay. So, and then this one you can print quite a lot. So if I double the size, if I have here is 22, and I'm going here 18, and hopefully I actually have a bigger size here. It's the pixel. Okay, to see here, right? They are printing out here. And so two-dimensional, it's used a lot in the graphics here. The book actually, we didn't really going through chapter 3 here that talking about the graphics, and I'm not sure using the online IDE will give us some of the graphics thing here, but this is to give you the examples of how we actually using the two-dimensional things, and we can print to the screen. So every screen here, it depends on your resolution. The bigger the resolution, that means the tiny your each of the pixel is, and so the view it's a sharper. Okay,